Welcome to my new garage. Actually, this is my living room. Who puts a garage door in a living room?
It's a big day today. The Volkswagen is gonna come meet its new home. I guess you don't meet a home. Come live in its new home. Sleepover, Volkswagen, me, new home. It's gonna be good. The first step in getting the Volkswagen up to its new home is getting the Jeep to its home, because I can't drive two vehicles at the same time. Although I have an idea of how I can get out to Fort Worth and pick up the bug. Wish me luck. No, seriously, I'm really gonna need it. Step 1. Drop off the Jeep, feed the dogs, change out of work clothes, complete. In the spirit of this adventure, or I guess I should say the challenge I face is how to get to Fort Worth without driving, because I have to drive a car back. I just dropped off my Jeep. Step 1 involves walking, but walking isn't quite as awesome as a couple other things. I think we're done with walking for a little while. Step number 3, light rail or regular rail. The last step on our adventure before we get to drive ourselves, Uber. Ooh, charger. Hi, hello there. Hi there.
You're a wandering salesman.
I am here to ask about your vacuum cleaner and maybe sell some knives. Hey, hi, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. Oh, almost stopped her. How would you say we just fixed the taillight?
By installing it properly.
Now I'm mostly legal for the trip back.
And he begins the pilgrimage to Dallas.
Maybe.
Listen to that powerful engine.
Oh yeah. Put that American muscle to shame.
A 14-point turn and he's on his way.
I was trying to keep low profile, stay off the radar, since I don't have half my windows in, but I got lost in downtown Dallas.
Act cool. Act cool.
Well, pretty much right back where I started. Things have escalated significantly.